Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go! The last week was not something that I have expected that will happen, and what happened is this candle on Friday. I have expected what will happen all from Monday to Thursday. And what happened? It happened the price has started to reverse back down. Wait a minute, I will increase. Okay, now it's much better. On Monday, the price started to move down, what we can see here. And on the Tuesday, the price reached this level here and closed the day at the price level at 1.14139. This is also the price in the previous attempt when the price reversed down from the resistance level. So we had the same scenario. But also we have a wick that has reached 1.14000, the support level. From the support level 1.14000, the price formed a bullish candle, but it didn't move too much. This was also a small indecision candle that shows us that there is no bulls or bear strength enough to push the price in any direction. On Thursday, we had a strong moves to the upside and also to the downside. The price opened at one price and also all closed the whole day at the same price. This was also a confirmation of the indecision between the bulls and bears. This indecision is also visible with large wicks. On the upper side, the price managed to reach the price above the previous high of these candles. What you can see here, the high of the previous candles was at 1.14836, but the price now managed to reach the price at 1.14939. From there the price reversed back down and also the price reached the low level at 1.13740, which is below the support level where the price has stopped in the 3 days before. So this was a confirmation that the market doesn't have a clear path. The price did not close below previous candles and also did not close above the previous candles. So on Friday we have a large move that was caused by the bears. The bears pushed the price below this 1.14000 support level and reached the first level, the first price level, where the price stopped on the upper side of this price range, which has held the price in the past. What we can see also, the price has reached this level in the past. This 1.13294 was also here. What we can see here, the candle has closed the day at this level. So we can see how the price is tracking the previous price levels. So what we can expect from this move? The bears has took the price back in the downtrend channel and also close to the price range. It is currently on the upper side. Here we can see what the price could make next week. So the price could reach this level, 1.13094 support level, and then we need to wait what will happen. Will the bears manage to close the price below 1.13094 to continue pushing the price down to the lower side of the price range, or the bulls will have enough strength to hold the price like before, like here? If the price manages to create bullish engulfing bar or bullish pin bar here at this level after making several indecision candles, then we can see the bulls are trying to force the price to move up, to find a better support and make a large demand zone that will push the price back up. I'm still open for this scenario because the previous bearish moves that took the price here have found a strong bullish support. So we can expect the price manages to come here and then find the support to push the price above. But currently the price is in decision area where the price range is. And it is better to avoid this scenario from trading to avoid false signals. It can happen the price reaches this level, makes a bullish or engulfing bar, and then continue to move down. If you open the trade here on the bullish pin bar or bullish engulfing bar, put your stop loss here, which is below this price, which means if the price comes here to this level, it will mean the price will try to reach the second support level at 1.11871. If the price manages to come here to this support level, then we will see the price will probably stay here for a long period, because if the price reaches this level, it will also open a possibility to price to break below this 1000 channel support line and also this support. But if the price manages to stay here and find the bullish strength demand zone here, that will push the price upwards, and if the price comes here again to this level and close the day above 1.14000, then we can say the bulls are strong enough to continue pushing the price up. So what we can conclude for the next week is this: if the price finds enough strength to move the price above 1.14000 and close the day above, then we can say the bulls are continuing to moving the price up, and the next level will be 1.14748 to close the day above to continue the bullish momentum. But if the price closes below this price range and reaches 1.11871, this will mean the bears are strong enough, and then we can expect breaking below this level if something strange doesn't happen on the market. What we can see, the market is always unpredictable completely, so this Thursday candles shows us what can happen. It can break above, then go down, and then move in any direction. So for trading, currently it is better to avoid trading this current market status and wait until the market shows us some direction. Will it be bullish direction or the bearish direction? That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!